About 1 in 5 Texans are on our streets driving uninsured. What does that mean if you get hit by one of them? Hi, my name is Michelle Wandre, and I am the founding attorney of NLG Law Group. As a personal injury attorney, my heart drops when I get on an intake call with a client and hear that they've been hit by an individual who was uninsured. Now, of course, that doesn't mean I just turn them away and say, sorry, I can't help you. It's important to me to zealously advocate for every single client that walks through our doors. So here's what next steps typically look like for us. Once any client is retained by our firm, we go ahead and do an insurance coverage investigation. This is going to allow us to understand what are all the various opportunities for our client to recover compensation for their injuries. So in the case of an at-fault driver who initially appears to be uninsured, we're going to check to see what other additional insurance coverage policies may be applicable still. Was the at-fault driver or someone in the vehicle driving for Uber or Lyft or Uber Eats? Was the at-fault driver performing an employment duty at the time of the collision? There may be coverage through their employer. And in taxis, we can also look to see if the uninsured driver is living with someone who might have an insurance policy. We would do our due diligence to see if our client would be able to recover from that policy as well. So all to say, all hope isn't necessarily lost if you've been hit by an uninsured driver. It's important to choose a law firm that's going to do their due diligence to ensure that every single opportunity for you to recover has been exhausted. And this is also your reminder to ensure that you're carrying underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage, because if the at-fault driver ends up not having any coverage and you don't have coverage as well, that can put you in a really tough spot.